Welcome back to our channel. Question 7 is a typical IB question with a big graph given to you, but the graph is useless. The graph just tells you one thing: when the temperature fluctuates or not, the water fluctuates. Everyone knows it, right? When the temperature fluctuates or not, okay, the sea, the swimming pool, the temperature fluctuates a little bit, right? So this graph just tells you this thing. And after we call that you need this concept, you can just forget it. And look at the question why. It means that everyone know because water needs a lot of energy to heat it up, right? But why? Why? The concept is why water needs much energy to heat it up. Heat it up, okay? So the temperature change is low because it needs a lot of energy to heat it up. Why? So first of all, it's about heat it up, okay? It's not about evaporation, right? And when you heat it up, okay, see anything that is BCD that is not connected, that there's not absolutely not. Why see the option BCD? Yeah, option C is strange, right? Covalent bond. So when it heat up, okay, I think it's just the separation of the H2O, right? The separation of the H2O molecule a little bit longer, right? So I think it's not the breaking of the hydrogen and the oxygen covalent bond here. Okay, I think it's not this one. Okay, not that strong, right? So this one is low. So it should be B or D. Adhesion. I heard this thing when I talk about the plants, right? Xylem, phylum, that thing, right? But is it here or just a D is more possible? Breaking of the hydrogen bond when it is much heat energy. So much heat energy, they separate a little bit. Okay, so this hydrogen bond, they need to be break it, but they are strong. Okay, so they need a lot of energy. I think it's this one. Especially for option B, you see a strange word, prevent. Maybe you say that there are good big adhesion between the water molecules, so they need a lot of heat to heat it up to separate them. You can say it this way, but you can't say it is insulating, right? The reason, okay, not preventing heat absorption. They, the water still absorb the heat, but the response, the temperature rise is low. So this word prevents, okay, make me think that the adhesion model shouldn't be right. Okay? So the answer is D. So this year is hard. I know, I know. B and D are very similar. Okay? You need to think about, make the choice. Okay? In exam, I understand. Very nervous. But try to do more multiple choice, do more past paper, have more experience on it. I'm sure you guys can perform better, especially in the coming examination. Okay, because we are awesome. Okay, see you guys for next question. Bye.